Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax through your CRA account. First, ensure you have a CRA My account. If not, register online. You can log in securely using your online banking information or your CRA user ID and password. Always verify your personal details are current before proceeding to file your taxes. Next, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tax documents. This includes income slips like your T4, T4as, and any other relevant information slips. Also, collect receipts for any deductions or credits you plan to claim. Having everything organized beforehand will make the filing process much smoother and help ensure accuracy. Now, let's move on to filing your return. You'll need to use a CRA-certified tax software to prepare your tax return accurately. Once your return is complete, you can use the NetFile service to submit it directly to the CRA through your account. Always double-check for a confirmation number to ensure successful submission. After filing, there are a few important steps. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay your balance by the deadline to avoid penalties. Consider setting up direct deposit for your refunds, as this is the quickest way to receive any money owed to you. Finally, carefully review your notice of assessment when it arrives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.